Introducing the latest in audio innovation. The Eagle. Never settle for less. Comes with wireless freedom, immersive sound. From gadgets to garments, and everything in between, our diverse range of products ensures that color is never just an afterthought, it's a vibrant expression of who you are. Discover the power of color with us today. In the chaos of the urban jungle, slip on these headphones and let the world around you fade into the background. With all-day comfort headphones, find solace amidst the noise. Crafted with precision engineering. For an unparalleled listening experience. Whether you're at work, on your commute, or relaxing at home, the Eagle headset adapts to your lifestyle. Experience the power of crystal clear audio. With immersive noise cancellation technology, ready to elevate your audio experience? Visit www.eagledemoreal.com to get your Eagle headset today. Eagle. Never settle for less.